Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcway. This is another video on AI powered tools, and the tool's name is Chat with PDF, right? So using this AI powered tool ChatPDF, at first we should upload the PDF and then we can chat according to our requirement of that particular PDF content is concerned. And if we write within the prompt according to our desired requirement, it will give the perspective responses. So go to the computer screen. Using Chat with PDF tools, I will show you how to use it and what the actual advantage of this AI powered tool is concerned. Okay, so let's dive in. So friends, today I will discuss another AI powered tool which is named ChatPDF. ChatPDF is a AI powered PDF interaction tool, right? So we already discussed several AI powered tools. So today I will discuss another tool which is ChatPDF, right? ChatPDF is a tool that allows users to interact with PDF documents using AI, right? It enables you to upload a PDF and ask questions about its content, extract key information, summarize sections, and search for specific details without manual reading the entire documents. Means don't need to go through the total PDF, whatever the page it contains. We just within a few seconds we got the information according to our requirement request, right? What is the use cases? One of the academics and research, quickly summarize research papers and extract references. Second one, business and finance, analyze reports, contracts and financial statements, right? Number three, legal documents, understand key clauses without reading the entire documents, right? And fourth one, technical and IT manuals, extract key configurations, instructions or troubleshooting steps, right? So go to the web application named ChatPDF, through which how we can upload the PDF and how to extract the required information from there. I will show you step by step, right? So now in this Google, we just at first type here ChatPDF and press enter. So whatever the first search is concerned, the ChatPDF, this website is given. Just right click and open link in a new web page. And from there, this is the interface of ChatPDF. I've already logged in. You should logged in within this ChatPDF using your Google account is concerned. Now, at first upload the PDF. Just click on this button. And suppose at first we upload this data list, one of the PDF I have already stored in my desktop. Just upload it. So when the upload is complete, now you can chat with particular PDF contained within that. Suppose this PDF is already open in my computer is concerned. Just see the serial number 30, the Pinak Biswas have this mobile number and have this email ID. Now we want to ask this mobile number and email ID of this Pinak Biswas using this prompt. So just write, tell me the mobile number and email address of Pinak Biswas and press enter. So from this particular data list PDF is concerned, it just retrieve the data from there. Just checked this mobile number and this email ID they are given. We just compared it 6-2 start and last with 5-1. Just check Pinak Biswas 30 6-2 last 5-1, Pinak Biswas 446 at gmail.com, Pinak Biswas 446@gmail.com. So in that way, very few seconds we can retrieve the data from any PDF is concerned. Whatever the size of the PDF doesn't matter. Just see this data list. This PDF contains here about 10 pages, and from there it will very few seconds retrieve the data within less time. So this is one of the important of this ChatPDF. Using this particular tool, we can easily chat with the content of the PDF using this prompt. Now the another chat we just open, and suppose we want to open this another PDF, we upload at first. This is a Python tutorial, another file. So just we uploading the file within this particular ChatPDF application is concerned. Now this PDF is just uploaded, have this 8 pages is there. Now we want to ask just that, tell me the example of append function. So here some append function is used into there, and just checked this example is there or not. Just check into there. This is the example, adding element in the list, append method, example 132794. Yes, 132794 means it just retrieve the data from your PDF, not from the globally whatever the available in the internet. Numbers.append 100, numbers.append 100, and print the numbers in that sequence. So any requirement, any request you can write in the prompt, and if this prompt, whatever the request you are sent, if it's present in the content within the PDF, it easily within a few seconds give the responses. I hope you have understood how to use this ChatPDF AI powered tool, and in that way you can interact with any PDF file, whatever the size it has doesn't matter, right? I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to interact with PDF using some AI powered tool named ChatPDF. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.